Konnichiwa, Zamurai Engineer desu. In this video, let us unbox an item for STEM students in our city. So STEM meaning science, technology, engineering, mathematics. So this is a specialization track for senior high school students, which is in our country, it means grade 11 and grade 12. So let us take a look. So we have here, this is our box. We'd like to unbox. So this is a robotic kit. Okay, 6-in-1 educational color solar. So educational solar robotic kit. So it is could be powered using solar energy. So do it yourself. Okay, so it also has the brand of the city. The city probably is the one who distributed this to the student freely. So as you can see, for 10 years old and above. So senior high school students are about 17 and 18-year-old. So 6-in-1. Yeah, what else? So there are 6 built different models in this product. We can have solar windmill, solar revolving plane, solar airboat, solar plane, solar car, solar puppy. Okay, so this contains all of this, and this box would include this one. So the kit for solar module, gearbox, and those required parts for windmill, plane, boat, plane, and the car, puppy. Okay. So anyway, this many solar building kits teach students the benefits of solar energy while they create a toy that is both fun to play with and requires no batteries. The newest member of this popular line is the 6-in-1 educational solar kit, an excellent beginner building kit design to teach how solar power is used to drive a small motor. Students use the 21 stuck together parts. No tools required to build 6 different working models, including an airboat, windmill, puppy, car, and 2 different planes. So there are 6 of these. Okay. So do it yourself. So you can do it. However, we are going to help by showing this students. So this. So that's what probably wiring and other connectors. Okay, for small motors, we have 6-in-1 solar robotic kit instruction manual. We have another pouch with what I think this is the battery, solar battery. Okay, and we have the different parts. We have the parts which is colored white and parts which are colored green. So what we are going to do one by one, no? One by one. Let's do it one by one. In our next module. So let us try to again familiarize ourselves. So as this box states, we have the solar module. Okay, solar module with its wiring connectors for the small motor. Okay, it's the wiring connector for small motor. Solar module is the solar panel, the back. Okay, and we have gearbox. Okay, so we have the gearbox here. So we have the gearbox here. Okay, for the small motor, and okay, we have the parts here. Okay, let us okay, so there are parts. Okay. Again, please wait for the next module and we will explain one by one the do-it-yourself application of different models. So there are 6 types. Thank you very much for listening and wait for the next video. This is Dr. EYPEI, Preaching Engineering for Nation Building.